Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a detailed information about how to know your customer better, which you can sell your product in different demographics, location, on a right place. And for this video is good for all the product managers or any startup companies who would like to know about their customer or for UI UX purposes as well. So let's get started. So I just opened this our chat tool, ChatGPT, and this extension need to be installed like AIPRM ChatGPT. Just you can search it over here in Google extension, Google Chrome extension. So I click here and just install it from here. Okay, so this is how we can install the this extension. Once you install this extension, just type here buyer. Okay, so the buyer, we get these 4 cards here, and this tool actually increasing day by day with different marketplace. People are sharing things and making prompts. Actually, this is a prompt. It's how to get information through ChatGPT using a specialized prompt. So let's talk about buyer persona table. I will start with buyer persona table. Okay, when I click it here, let's say what type of business you have, like import, export, or SaaS business model, or cosmetics, or dentistry, or medical industry, like medical tourism, like tourism, normal. Like there are so many industry, the product or company you have. So let's talk about, I will choose SaaS business model, like software as a solution. So I'll type SaaS. Okay. Okay. So it creates a table which we can see clearly that demographics, objectives, main challenges, values and motivation, and buying behaviors, communication preferences, media and social networks. So for first of all, we need these groups where we can put our customer information to later on, basis on qualitative and quantitative data, we can understand and research or analyze our data. Okay, so this prompt allow us to create this quick information which we can for designers who are practicing UI UX, they can create these blocks in Figma file or an Adobe XD file, or people like corporate industry, they can create Excel file or document where they can put the information like this, and we need to put the information according to the SaaS business model. Let's say normal age group is 25 to 35, and let's say male, and income is like $60,000 yearly, and most of the people are masters and bachelor's graduate. Like what SaaS business model to improve productivity, work efficiency. So these are the information are here. Let's going deep more now. Chat buyer. Okay, generate buyer persona. Get this table. What's your service, product, and brand name? Let's say my product is managed WordPress hosting, and I can give brand name Hostpresso. Okay, so now it's creating the table right now, the information. Okay, let's say the age group is 35 to 45, from United States, married with 2 young children, work as an entrepreneur, and their web history, behaviors, and search term, like what they usually search, like best managed WordPress hosting, what are their pain points and goals. So like these are different prompts to generate your customer personas. You can manipulate and utilize it for as per your requirement. Now I'm going to use the another one, which is create on buyer persona based on the given URL. Like let's say your website and manage. I want to generate 2 persona for a managed WordPress hosting, like say wpengine.com. Okay. Persona 1, like a small business owner, Sarah. Okay, and their demographics, challenges, identifier. Sarah is always on the go and relies heavily on her smartphone and tablet, stay connected. So like we can see the identifiers and what are the goals. Persona 2, marketing manager Mark. So you can put this information like this. Let's say I can show you like persona user persona table design. Like so you can create your table using this chat gpt information. And it's earlier that before that, earlier, like people spending a lot of hours to create this kind of research and analysis and how to convince the organization that what type of people we have, our target audiences, and how they are going to use our application or the product. Now it's very simple. Let's go to the another one, and which is Ron GPT. It's actually more famous now, 6,000, 7,000. So like, what does your business sell, and where is your client? Let's say I am selling managed WordPress hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and my clients are in, let's say, Turkey. So it create a detailed like table, like, okay, this is data points: name, occupation, annual income, marital status, and city, and the user, like how much this user earn, what are their hobbies and interests. So like you can see this information like this, portrait, like attitude scores, and everything is here, like personal inspiration, personal goals, pain points, lack of technical expertise, shopping behaviors. And so all this information by your user persona is giving you. If you know your user persona in detail and use by using this chat gpt tool, okay, so your life is much easier. Now you will thinking about that this is the template or like a demo content. Okay, let me show you one practical example, like how we decide this information. Like, okay, this is real information, how we decide this information. Okay, for me, let's going to, we need to target our segment, market segment. Let's say if I am selling managed WordPress hosting, okay, so I will go to the place where normally all the people are talking about managed WordPress hosting G2 reviews. Okay, so there are so many reviews company where you can see. So premium managed WordPress hosting, I'm going to here now. Okay, and then let's say they have 15 reviews. No, I will go with the bigger one. This is easy to show, but okay, let's show. So you can see like they are 1 star, 5 star, and everyone. So like I can open it, this option, my premium managed WordPress hosting, what their customer like, what their customer didn't like, what are the recommendations, and what are the problem solving statements here. So this is the real customer information. What you do, you create your user persona based on the template, based on this information, and then put the real information by doing your manual research, like going to those reviews websites and take all the information. Let's say if I have a very famous website is like WP Engine in managed WordPress, or you can even a cosmetic website, any website which has, they are listed properly on like G2 and other so many marketplace. You can see their reviews and then collect the information according to WP Engine G2 reviews. Okay. So you can see 245 reviews, and these reviews will give you enough information like, okay, this person is giving 5 star rating, but this person also don't like something to say. Let's say I really don't have any dislike. One of the thing I can think of, the cost of the hosting. So this is the user, it's mean like If you have a product, you can beat in pricing by giving the best price to the customer. Okay. But again, if you want a premium service, you need to pay for it. So all good, I don't have any problem. Okay. Okay, now other customer also gave 4.5 rating. One potential downside of WP Engine is that they're more expensive. And again, price model. Additionally, it is managed hosting solution. It means that you have less control over the server. I'm not able to customize the server, this and that. So like you can make your product according to that. I'm just giving you example about hosting related business, but there are plenty of businesses in the world, and all business companies are registered, and you can find the reviews over on Google and get those customer information, and those information put on this table in your Excel file or in your design file, and calculate the data analysis. This is a very practical approach, and this tool by ChatGPT, generating persona. Like, I'm so thankful to the people like these Fabmetry, Ron GPT, Croners Digital, and Nico prompts. They created a prompts for us to utilize this information, and we can quickly incorporate information and present to our organization, or present to us and for our record as well, to analyze our customers, know our customer better, and make our product according to the market need. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this video helped you to learn more about what's going on these days in this AI technology. And I'm telling you, you need to learn artificial intelligence or practice artificial intelligence tools to improve your daily lifestyle. This was a simple thing, but you incorporate, if you do this practice, you are incorporating AI in your daily life routine and saving you a lot of time and making good products or whatever you want to achieve in a smart way. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.